On the edge of the quiet village of Lothmere, nestled between the rolling hills and a dense forest, there stood an ancient oak tree by a silver stream. The tree was said to be a gathering place for spirits and a vessel of old magic, for when the moonlight touched its gnarled branches, it shimmered as though bathed in liquid silver. Elena, a curious girl with fiery determination, often wandered to the oak at night, drawn by the way the moon transformed the world. She believed the whispers she sometimes heard among the rustling leaves weren't mere tricks of the wind but echoes of the moon's secrets. One evening, with a full moon casting a luminous glow, Elena sat beneath the oak, tracing the patterns of its bark. As midnight approached, the air grew still, and a soft hum filled the clearing. Startled, she looked up to see a pale figure descending from the canopy of light, the moonlight spirit. The spirit was neither man nor woman but an ethereal being with flowing robes that glimmered like stardust. It spoke without moving its lips, its voice resonating in her mind. "You have listened, child of the earth. Few hear the moon's whispers. Fewer understand. Why do you come here?" Elena hesitated but found her voice. "I come because the moonlight feels alive, as if it's trying to say something. I want to understand." The spirit smiled, a faint, wistful expression. "The moon speaks in truths too soft for most to hear. It sees the world in shadows and light, where secrets dwell. Would you like to learn its language?" Elena nodded, her heart pounding. The spirit raised its hand, and the moonlight around her thickened, wrapping her in warmth. Images flooded her mind, memories of the forest, the village, the stream, but from perspectives she'd never known. She saw hidden paths, creatures of the night, and the quiet resilience of nature. She felt the sorrow of the oak, its roots aching from years of neglect, and the joy of the stream, which sang as it flowed. When the light faded, Elena gasped. The world looked different, brighter, more alive. She could hear faint murmurs in the wind, the trees, even the distant hills. "With this gift comes responsibility," the spirit warned. "You must protect the balance between shadow and light. The moon's truths are not always kind, but they are always necessary." As dawn broke, the spirit vanished, leaving Elena alone beneath the oak. Yet she was no longer the same. She had become a keeper of moonlight's whispers, a bridge between the seen and the unseen. From that night on, Elena devoted herself to the forest and its secrets, listening to the moon's wisdom and sharing its lessons with those willing to believe. And though the villagers called her strange, they soon noticed how the land flourished under her care. In time, Elena's tale became legend, and the moonlit oak remained a place of wonder, its whispers forever mingling with the light of the moon.